my shop. It's going to be another hot day here in Jersey, and reaching 100 degrees today, they said. High humidity, so you see me a little shiny, please excuse. My makeup artist didn't show up today. Anyway, if you watched my last video, you saw I made this ring. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to incorporate this into a vase. I'm really excited about it. I think it should come out pretty cool, so stick around. We'll see how it goes. Alright, this is as far as I got so far. I really can't glue it all together and then shape it out because I don't have the proper hollowing tools. So as I go along, I'm gonna keep refining it and whatnot. And then here's my feature ring. This is the next step. So I'm gonna actually glue this on here somewhere like that, and then, you know, keep refining this and keep shaping it out. And then I have other pieces. I don't know if it's this one. I got these. Gonna go something like that. This one actually goes in between. I just didn't unclamp it yet. Something like that. So if you can imagine, I'm gonna kind of refine it. It looks funny because it got the chuck on there, but I'm going to kind of refine it, come around, have this neck, and I'm even thinking possibly make a lid, maybe with a finial on it or something like that. But this is what I got in my brain, but we'll see, my little brain, and we'll see how it pans out. All right, we'll see how it goes. I got it sanded down to 220, and then I just burnished it with some wood you saw there. Looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Is it perfect? Hell no. But for my first shot out, I think it looks pretty nice. All my joints aren't perfect, but once I polish it up and wax it and fill those in, it's gonna be, my opinion, it's gonna be nice. So now I'm just gonna glue the next layer and we'll continue. We'll go from there. Alright, well here it is, all done. Came out pretty good. I mean, for my first shot at the zigzag pattern, I think it came out pretty nice. I'll give you guys a close-up in a minute. But walnut, these are the reclaimed door jambs. This is all reclaimed, it's not pallet wood, but it's wood that is used between shipping materials for steel. Anyway, so it's all basically reclaimed. Is it perfect? No, but it really came out pretty nice. Got a little mouth on the top. I really like it. I probably should have stayed consistent with the colors through here, but I think it's nice. It's a nice contrast. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, share, thumbs up, subscribe, whatever. I'm going to give you some close-ups on this, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you.